Stuck in the middle of coming inside or walking out. Just stay for a little. You say as you close the door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear, say, are you a sinner?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley for those of you who are new, and I am so glad that you decided to click on this video. So I have reached over 500 subscribers, and I want to thank my subscribers and those of you who are considering subscribing, those of you who have subscribed, you have liked and commented on videos. I want to ask, what you guys would want for a giveaway. So in my next video, I would like to do a giveaway. So if you're interested in the giveaway, leave a comment down below and let me know what you would be interested in. So in today's video, we will be tackling my front porch and getting it ready for fall. So stay tuned. So instead of taking the water hose to this chair, I decided to spray it with some multi-purpose cleaner because spraying it with the water hose, it leaves water spots even if you dry them. So I decided to spray them to get rid of any dust or dirt that was left over from the summer. I purchased most of my outdoor fall decor from Hobby Lobby, and I will have the video, my fall decor video, linked in the description box and also in the cards above. See, there it is. So it's still monsoon season in southern Arizona, so I didn't want to break the plastic on these hay bales. So they will probably remain in the plastic for the duration of fall, and then I will probably use them next year for the next fall.
Something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own, but it's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now.
So if you guys are liking this video so far, I would love it if you would comment down below or like the video. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I really enjoy interacting with you guys in the comment section. A lot of you guys are super nice and super helpful, especially when it comes to making this channel all that I want it to be, and I'm so glad that you guys get to be a part of it. I love including you guys in ideas and everything like that. So if you like it, comment down below, let me know.
Apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell. I really wonder, how did it come to this? Go see my friends, but then I realized they're all your friends. Is this who I am? You see me running around in circles, feeling so sweet, but should it be like this? I'm loving the heat. I think I'm losing it. What do I? Every time you call my name, what do I? What do I? Whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I? What do I? What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in
I purchased these flameless LED candles from Amazon. I will have them linked below. I would not recommend putting them outside, especially if you live in Arizona. I had to take them out because they started to melt. I didn't know that they were wax LED candles.
red carpet for you. Let me hold your bag. I'll carry your shoes. I think I've lost it. What do I? Every time you call my name, what do I? What do I? You're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I? What do I? What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. I keep it playing, so I keep on rolling in silence. Keep on playing in silence. What do I? What do I? What do I? What do I? Maybe I should keep rolling in silence. Maybe I should
My brother stopped by to babysit me as I put up our fall decoration. So I created this fall sign. I have a DIY video. I will link it in the cards above and also in the description box below.
It's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real.
So I found these large and small lanterns at my local Home Goods. If I can find some on Amazon, I will find them if they're a reasonable price, and I will link them down below for you guys as well.
Oh, baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Night, like you did last night. Night. Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just in my mind? Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Night, like you did last night. Night. Come back to my place, we can dance the night away. My heart is screaming out for you. I want you here with me so that everything will be as good as they were last night. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night.
So I also DIY'd this wreath. The video is linked with the welcome sign, so if you're interested, you can go watch that video. So my fall decor on the porch is done. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you guys. And like I said below, we have reached 500 subscribers, and I would love if you guys comment down below and let me know what you want to see in a giveaway. I love giving and giving to people. That's my love language. So I would love to give to you all. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
When these silly little words are all that I've got, we can try to just pretend I could hold you once again, 'cause I'm scared of feeling lost.